Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nazmul Islam. How are you all? Hope you are doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well, the mercy of Almighty Allah. So today I want to share with you the importance of reading English book. And my one question is why is the importance of reading English book? Actually, if I answer this question, that I think it is very crucial for everyone lives, because if you want to speak English fluently, then he has to read more and more time, and he has to read different kinds of English book. So if anyone reads more and more different kinds of English book, then he can easily speak English fluently. And another thing is, if you want to speak English fluently so early, then I think everyone or you should read at least 4 pages or 5 pages every day. After passing 1 month, you will see your result, then it would be good and it would be great. So I think it is very crucial for increasing or for developing your site, as well as after passing 1 month your speaking site will be very great or better. So I think if you read more and more English book, that would be very great. And that's why today I have decided to make a one video that is about reading English book. So I and my niece will make this video. I think everyone will love this video and everyone will enjoy this video, as well as everyone will learn a lot of things from this video. So we are so excited to make this video. So right now we are starting this video. Let's get started. Cynthia,
Hello, Uncle.
good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also great by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, where are you going right now?
I'm going to buy some books.
So, what kind of book will you buy?
Actually, I want to buy some English books.
That sounds great, but why do you want to buy English book?
Because English book is very interested for me. I like to read English book.
That sounds great. Me too. Okay, I will try to buy English book.
Okay, I have to go right now.
Okay, there is no problem. I have to go right now also. So, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.